Hello, fellow enthusiasts. Are you ready to embark on a journey into a mesmerizing world of the most satisfying machines and ingenious devices? Well, you are in the right place. Host. From precision engineering marvels to astonishing automation, we're about to reveal the secrets behind these remarkable creations. So, grab your popcorn, hit the subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of innovation. I could spend forever watching this flowing water, burning fire, and milling machine work. This machine only has 2 parts, but that doesn't stop it from cutting perfectly uniform vermicelli noodles and tossing them into a pot of boiling water. The packaging of water, I could wash it for hours. Decorative plates are simply tattooed with soft silicone. This massive giant performs a delicate task, producing a flawlessly round tunnel opening. This mechanism synchronously changes parts every second and produces 1,200 tons of mesh per year. Who could have imagined that metal would blend like plasticine under the influence of this device? Check out this stunning laser technology for printing on denim. A lathe and a sharp blade are essential for creating a quickly heated bottom in a new pan. Check out the hypnotizing process of making chips for a game called Mahjong. Okay. Just imagine people having to twist these decorative metal elements by hand before this machine was invented. Here's the process for producing the most important thing on the planet. A huge magnet is being used to transport crushed metal objects to a barge. New lead sheets are created from melted old ones by pouring them into a sand mold. Multi-level milling is definitely its own separate art form. How cool. They make lenses for ski goggles. This fast spinning mechanism will knock the dust out of even the dirtiest carpet. This machine makes it easy to thread 1/800 rods per hour. And this is a conveyor system designed for the continuous production of aluminum caps. Carrying out the painstaking process of producing the perfect golf balls. Lumberjacks can finally forget about back pain and calluses. Watch how freshly cooked spaghetti is shaped by squeezing it through special faucets. This is so hypnotic that you might want to paint your walls now. It's so satisfying to watch a heated razor blade remove an old sticker without leaving a trace. And here's the mini version. Also cool. Making expensive-looking pavers out of cheap concrete is possible when you have one of these rollers. With a laser, you can make even the most complex engravings. This amazing machine cuts and shapes foam into perfect cones with remarkable precision. Wow! It's incredible how this machine designs metal. Admit it, you want to dip your hands in that paint too. This three-stage mechanism winds miles of adhesive tape onto spools every day. Take a look at this linguist robot. It's pretty cool. Laughs. Leave that feel like this machine more than the others because it produces hundreds of thousands of 50-euro bills, and it's truly satisfying to witness. This concludes today's exploration of the most satisfying machines and ingenious devices. We hope you enjoy learning the magic behind these marvels of technology as much as we do. If you're blown away by what you saw today, be sure to show some love by hitting that like button and sharing this video with your fellow enthusiasts. And hey, if you have any ideas for future content or want to share your favorite machines, leave us a comment below. Stay tuned because we have a lot more adorable content coming for you. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and embrace the incredible world of human ingenuity. See you in our next video.